somebody that I used to know. But yep, there's Blueberry hiding, precious behind the garbage cans, hibernating. Ooh, UPS. UPS is here, yo. Sorry about the dirty mirrors. Yeah, that's super dirty. UPS is here. Oh, I wonder what they ordered off Amazon. Oh, hello, sir. Hi, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Put the camera down because I think I'm weird as shit. So, anyways, I'm here. I'm gonna get the stuff. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna actually eat because I didn't eat today. So, I'm gonna eat and then we'll continue the vlog after that. So, basically, what we're here to do is. Ooh, baby, pour it. I'm just kidding. Ugh. Ugh, it smells disgusting. Okay, don't do that. So anyways, basically what we're here to do is we're here to fix this steering wheel. As you can see, it's not flush. Like, it's not straight. So that's what we're here to do. So this steering wheel is gonna be sitting up there, chilling, relaxing. And then we're gonna take this thing apart again and then try to make it flush. And then after that, I'll take you guys on a walkthrough of everything. Don't mind that mess over there. So basically, we're just gonna take all these bolts apart again. I'm actually gonna put you guys down because it's kind of hard recording and trying to do this at the same time. So I'm gonna put you guys down. Alright, so the steering wheel is not completely on, but I'm gonna show you guys like kind of like a ghetto way of how to like take this off, even though it's already like taken off and all that. So basically there's gonna be, it'd be so much easier if I can just show you guys with the plastic pieces, but I don't have the plastic pieces. I don't know where they went. Like alright, besides the fact. So basically this is gonna be a plastic cover right here, right? Take a flathead, pry this out. There's gonna be this yellow harness right here connected to another yellow harness. You wanna unplug this. This is for the airbag. Oh, and before you do any of this, make sure you disconnect your battery. Because if you don't disconnect it, there's a chance that this is gonna blow up in your face and you're not gonna have a fun day. So unplug this, or turn off your battery first. Take out the plastic cover. Disconnect this yellow plug-in, and then on the other side there's going to be another plastic cover right here. Take that out, flathead, and then as you notice there's going to be two holes with two T30 star nuts, one here and one on this side right here. Take those out, and then your cruise control, which normally sits right here on your steering wheel, take those out with two Phillips head. After that, that's it. You can just let that hang. And then that's basically it for the airbag. Like, the airbag can be taken out. So yeah, disconnect this. Two T30 nuts, one on this side, one on the other side. Two Phillips head for your cruise control. And then you should be able to just pop this thing out. Just be careful with that. And then once this thing is popped out, as you can see, just set it to the side where it won't explode in your face. After that, you want to this will be connected to another. Your cruise control will be connected to another plug out here. You just want to disconnect that. Disconnect this. Just let that chill. And then this is what you're gonna see. And there's gonna be a little nut right here, a 14 mil nut. Make sure you keep this because this is important. And then the steering wheel should come right off. We're gonna put that down there. And then you're left with this. or not this, but like this clock spring. I already took it out because I'm not gonna take it back. I'm not gonna put it back in. So this will normally sit like right here and there. So basically after that you want to take these two plastic pieces off. I don't know why I did that, but there's 1, 2. To take that off, you're gonna need to take out 3 Phillips head. So there's gonna be one in here, this little hole, another one in this one, and another one way back here in that little hole. So basically take out those 3, this comes out, and then you're left with the inside piece, which is connected to these, and then the clock spring. As you can see, this yellow adapter right here, this little plug plugs into the airbag. It plugs into that, and this plugs in to the cruise control on the steering wheel. So after you disconnect all that, and then this, I don't know where this goes actually. Fuck. Okay. So basically you just take a flathead. I took a flathead and I popped this out, and then I just lifted up and twisted kind of ish. And then you have to, and then there's another plug. As you can see, there's another, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like another plug hiding back there that plugs into this little thing. You just disconnect that, and then this is your cruise control wire, so you just cut that off and then take this out. Okay, but anyways, tuck everything behind there, put the 2 plastic pieces back on. I didn't put the screws back in because I don't really care. And then comes the fun part, your short hub. Make sure you line it up, make sure you like it. And does that look pretty even to you guys? I think it's good. It's just that like my car's a little slanted right now, so I think that's good. Put your hub in. This replaces the whole clock spring. Put your 14mm bolt back in. Put the cat dragged in. Oh shit! It's freaking Hulk. Drew, don't you got homework to do? Don't you got homework to do? Isn't it 2:50 right now? Oh, it's already 3:20. Oh, you're already done. Damn, I've been out here for like an hour.
Yeah.
What are you trying to do? Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them to subscribe or you'll Hulk smash them.
Hmm?
Tell them to subscribe or you'll Hulk smash them.
Hi.
Why? I need subscribers.
Hi.
Alright, you want whatever. Cool. Bye. God, it's such a nice day out. Such a nice day out today, guys. It's like, it's pretty hot out. It's not, the only thing that it's terrible today is that it's windy. Other than that, it's pretty nice out. But anyways, you know, I'm gonna get this steering wheel back together, and then I'll probably take some cinematics. Maybe. We'll see. But, like, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Maybe just like a 10-second cinematic thing. Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna get this back together, and then go on from there. So, but yeah, bye. Alright, and there we go. That is the finished product. Overall, it looks pretty good. This is from TOUGEDREAMERS with VIILANTE, and it's a first edition steering wheel. This is Alcantara. The material that's made of is Alcantara, and honestly, I got it for sale. So it was like 300 something. So honestly, it was really good. And like I said, I have no horn, so honestly, I don't care. But anyways, there's that for ya. I'm probably gonna take it out for a spin. Ah! It's the Hulk! Help! Ah! hopefully everything's good. So hopefully my tires are straight. Cause yeah, you know. Well, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I'll see you back here in a few. I'm gonna take my little nephew with me too, see if he wants to go get some food. So yeah. Anyways, I think I might just end it here, honestly. Like, yeah, I might just end it here. Sorry that about the cinematics. I probably won't do them. Maybe another time when it's more sunnier out, or like when the snow melts and all that, and it's more hot out. I'll probably do cinematics then. But other than that, like, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys find this video useful, like, you know, please like, subscribe, share it around, and maybe it'll help you take off your OEM steering wheel and put a new one in the future. So anyways guys, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll just catch you guys next time. Peace guys.